Hi guys, welcome back to MrGibbs Vlogs. We will be unboxing this Lazada purchases. So bumili ako ng mga materials or potting mix na gagamitin ko for my philodendron plants. So bumili ako ng melanochrysum cutting. So as you can see dito sa video, ayan, meron na siyang sprout. So I got this one for 500 pesos sa seller sa Facebook Marketplace. So shoutout sa iyo, Sir Chan Bautista. Thank you very much for this. So that's 2 nodes. So may isa pa dito. There. Philodendron gloriosa dark. Tapos itong isa yan, meron na siyang sprout. Malaki na. And this one also has another sprout here. Philodendron mami. Ayan. So ililink ko na lang dito sa taas yung previous video ko on the unboxing of this philodendron mami. So ayun na siya ngayon. Let's start. That's ito. Vermicast. Pumice. Ano ba ito? This one is the coco fiber for 45 pesos. Tignan natin. Let's see. Okay. Yun. Okay. So this one is a handmade coco rope. So ito siya. So dito natin pakakapitin yung vines o yung body ng the body of the philodendron plants. So pag nag-mature sila, dito na sila kakapit. What's this? Let's see. Oh, carbonized rice hull with free insects. The third one, this big box, 1 kilo chopped cocoa chips. Chopped right cocoa chips. 2 kilos. Tcharan! This is the pots that I will be using. This, as you can see, it's hexagon shape. I'd like to shout out Ma'am Shian for the freebie. There you have it. Pots, cocoa chips, carbonized rice hull, and then coco rope, and then the charcoal, vermicast. precious. This one, Melanochrysum, Mame, and Gloriosum Dark. So I will be updating you on the next video. So thank you for watching this, and I hope you enjoy watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.